And now, Gumption TV presents Nature's Wonders with your host, Wendell T. Wallaby. I'm your host, Wendell T. Wallaby.
Okay, so this is an extremely rare and unusual experience I just encountered while I was fishing. I banked a carp. Well, here we have this carp fish, and he wasn't moving much. I still caught him. Lo and behold, you know, as I said, he didn't put up much of a fight. Once I shine a light on him, we find out here is why. Now see, he still is breathing just a little bit, and he still took my bait, but this fish has actually already been gutted. I've never caught a fish that has not already been caught and released, but, well, partially gutted. My advice to whoever does things like this, make sure the fish is all the way dead when you throw him back, because I can't imagine that was very pleasant for this fish, even if it is an invasive species. I'm gonna dispose of this fish properly. I'm Wendell T. Wallaby. Thank you for watching. Signing out.